this hair new dude. Who is she? Hi my Simply Beauties, welcome back to my channel. So I'm coming for you another wig review. Alright, so let's get started. So in today's video, they sent me this curly lace front wig with baby hair, and it's 20 inches. Now you know your girl been wanting this wig for a minute. So yeah, so I love the parting space on this unit. So with this unit, you get medium brown lace. It's perfect for my skin tone. And it's a medium cap size. It's natural black. They sent me the 20 inch, and the hair density is 130%, so which is awesome. Okay, and it's 1% Brazilian virgin hair, and it's Swiss lace, and it's a 13 by 4, so you get a good amount of parting space. And with this unit, you just come with the wig and the free wig caps. Okay, so right offhand, I love this hair. It's super soft. You won't be disappointed. I love the curl pattern on this unit. So basically, this hair is great for year round. The density on here is perfect. Very perfect. So right here, I'm just showing you, I'm just using a paddle brush and brushing it out. I did experience a little bit of shedding, but not much. It's curly hair, so of course you would do that. So right here, I did lay down my unit with the Got to Be freeze spray and just added some powder into the parting space and laid some baby hair on both sides of the hair, which it did come with long baby hairs. So I just swooped them over with some Got to Be gel. So your girl's feeling this hair. It is so pretty, and it's super soft. So with this unit, all you will need is a little bit of water, some leave-in conditioner, and I use the OGYX, the argan oil mousse, and I just like, it helps define the curls and have it, leave it in place. And I also use the John Frieda, it's an anti-frizz oil for your hair, so I also use that. Alright, so right there I'm just showing you it's kind of liquidy when it comes out, then it gets all puffy. So right there I'm just going to put it all throughout the hair, which I love. So with this hair, it's easy to manage. Like I said, all you need is some water and some leave-in conditioner, and the mousse or any styling product for curly hair. You can add it in there, but I'll list everything I use in the description box down below, even what I use on my face. And also I got a discount code for these brushes, so I'll link that below also. So yeah, so if you're new to my channel, hi, my name is Jessica. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and follow me on IG. I'm very active on there, so hit me up on there. Follow me, I do follow back. So yeah, so this is the curls after. It's so pretty, so soft, and thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.